Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to create a sale in our eBay store. So you will need an eBay store to do this. And if you have an eBay store or you're wondering how to do this, then stay tuned because today we are going to create a store to get our eBay sales up and going again. So stay tuned. Okay, so come with me. We're going to hop on over to eBay and we are going to create a sale. Okay. My store. Get my little store door icon. Manage store. There's many ways of doing this. This is just one of the ways that this is how I go to my store. I'm gonna mark down manager. Create a promotion. And over here, you will set your discount. Yeah, I want all my inventory. I hit all. There's two of them. I mean, 200. We want to get all of our inventory, and it has, I think I have 2 pages. I'm just trying to do this quickly. Once you get, oh, that's what I did last time. Once you get all your items selected that you wanted, you hit save and review. So save, the sale event name will be save up to 20%. Take 20% off each item. Okay, so we're gonna run this for a month. Just to see. But you can hit the calendar and you can select, you can do it for a whole year. You can see, you go over here, April, May, June. You can keep going. I don't know if you can go up to 5 years, 10 years. I don't know. It may take 12 hours from the start time of the event to begin, but a lot of times it begins within an hour or two. Okay, so it wants a description. Description of the products in your sale. Let's go. Entire store 20% off for a limited time. I do that so people feel brushed, like, okay, so if I want to buy this item, I can only get this discount for so long. So I need to look. Wood poop here again, 4.5 stars. That's a decal that I made. You can actually select which image you want in this promotion. I deleted a lot of my pictures. I don't even have a lot in here. I might have to take a picture of something because I don't want to put that as my banner for 20% off. And I don't want to have somebody flipping somebody off with the middle finger. These are all decals. But I'm going to have to take a picture of something. Yeah, I just cleaned out my computer, so that really sucks. Pictures. Let's see what I can find. I don't have any pictures. Camera imports. That's nice. Okay, well, I'm going to have to take a picture of something and put it in here. So, once you find your picture, you can launch it. I'm going to have to change that because it's going to show that in my banner. Okay, so it shows scheduled. When I go in to fix my picture, I'll go into edit and I can fix it. Oh, gosh. I don't know why it picked that. Whatever. Anyways, there you go. So my promotion will be up in an hour or so. Yes, I sell everything from decals to clothes to something else. And I need to get these listed. I found these old postcards. I have a whole box of them. And these aren't even, these are unused. These are. I also have some used ones that are really unique. I want to show you, there was one. A lot of these are from the 1900s, just so you know. But maybe I didn't grab it. I have about 100 of them. There is one in here that I think is a lot of money. It's worth a lot of money. Of course, I can't find it right now. But these are all old. They're stamped from like the 1900s, so that would make them over 100 years old. I mean, I can just show you a few of these. Look at this. Look at that postcard. That one. This one is stamped 1911. This one too. There is one for Edison. And I want to show that to you, but I think I'm going to list these today. I had them all organized and now they're not. What is this one? Door County, Wisconsin. It's unused. Look at this one. This was dated 1908. Should I list all these? Please help me in the comments below. Should I list these single and do like auctions, or should I do a buy it now for like a grab bag of like 10 or 20? What should I do? For this one. Norway, Iowa. 1912. Look at the stamp. That's crazy. This one's 1921. Anyways, I didn't get to show you the one that I want. I'm not going to stop till I find it. You know it. You know it's true. Because you know me. Look at this one. This is a Christmas one. I don't know the age on it. Like 3D kind of. Look at this one. Remember to love, honor, and obey. I can't read the stamp, but it's got a 1-cent stamp on it. Let's see. I am going to find it. This true love one. Citronelle, Alabama, going to the mill, dated 1907. I don't know. I don't know if anybody. Look at this one. Hand painted. Is it upside down? Sorry. 1911. Look at this one. 3D velvet. Can you hear it? There's no date. There's just somebody wrote something on the back of that. I'm hoping that somebody out there knows how old it is. And look at this one. A jolly, they're gonna fall. A jolly old mug and a frothy time at London. And it's a pull down one. The Bank of England. I don't, can you see these? And there's no date. Look at that. These are over 100 years old. I don't know what to do with them. You know? I really don't. Huh. Did you just hear one fall? I don't know. That one. I don't know what to do with these. But anyways. Let me know in the description. These are going to be listed in my eBay. So if you're really interested in them, go to my eBay and I'm going to put the link down in the description below. You know what? I'm going to do a video on these. I think I'm going to showcase all of them that I have. And then you tell me what I should do. Because I'm not sure. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. That's how you create a store or a sale in your eBay store. You just go to create a promotion and you put your discount down, and and in a few hours it'll be up. So I hope that helped you out. Stay safe.